to talk about some common stretches to help your lower back. The first one I would like to do is called single knee to chest. When you lie on your back, if you bend your knees like this, we call this crook lying. Usually it's most supportive to your back. So I want you to take one thigh and gently hug towards your chest, hold for 5-second hold, and then relax a bit. So when you pull it towards you, you might feel a little bit pull in your glutes, in your bum muscle, or in your back, but don't make it hurt, okay? I would do about 10 times, then put it down slowly, switch to the other side. Do the same 5-second hold, I would do it 10 times, okay? The next one I would like to do is called figure 4. We've talked about this in our other videos. Most people would do it like this by putting your leg on the thigh here and pull it towards you. I find that kind of harsh. So pretend if my supporting leg is on a wall there, okay? And if I put it over there, if you push down your thigh this way, you actually get a better stretch. So this foot just stay on the wall there. And then when you get closer, you could go closer to the wall, or my leg angle will become closer to me, right? And then you'll be able to push down, okay? So for the figure 4, we did it lying on your back. The other alternative is to do it in sitting. So if you take the leg, bend it over here, again, push down towards the floor, you'll get a stretch. If you notice my back here, make sure it's straight. I don't want to see people push, they tend to go bend different ways. Keep your back straight, okay? And if you keep your back straight and then lean forward, you'll actually get a bigger stretch, okay? So from the side here, I'll try to act it out. If you lean forward, make sure your back is straight. I don't want to see a slouch, okay? Because actually, you're gonna lose stretch from there. The other good glute stretch is to bring the thigh or the knee to your opposite shoulder. So when I cross it over a bit here, if I pull it towards my opposite shoulder, you'll feel a better glute stretch there, okay? So try to hold it for longer, maybe go for 30 seconds, do about 3 to 4 repetitions. And you should feel the tension here. Make sure your back stays straight and on the bed. Don't let it rotate off the bed like that, okay? So keep the back down, just hug it towards that side. The other alternative for the knee to opposite shoulder is in sitting as well. If you bring your leg up, if you hug it towards your opposite shoulder, you will feel the stretch in the glute. Make sure, again, your spine is straight, so when you pull, your body don't bend too far away, okay? So pull that way, okay? So the other muscle that usually gives people problem is called Quadratus Lumborum, or we call it QL. QL in anatomy goes from the rib cage down to the pelvis, or we call it ilium, in a trapezoid shape. So basically, you think about you have a muscle here. So the easiest way to stretch that is to bend your body sideways. I like to do this in sitting because your sits bone actually is planted on the bed, okay? You basically gonna keep your spine straight, bring your arm over and try to stretch it. And if you can see, I'm trying to create like a little curve in here to stretch that. Make sure you don't lean over that way too far, okay? And if you do that, you should feel like a pull on the side of your body. We'll put the arm up here because we could also stretch your, we'll call your lats as well, okay? So if you think about, I have an axis that goes through my mid-chest, I am rotating around that axis to get that stretch. If you lean and shift over, you're gonna lose that. So do it longer for 30-second hold, about 4 repetitions again.